Welcome back my YouTube channel. Kum no ban ai ching kren ha kakten pareng kum ka jing ai men sen la da piyo sngeu jeng men toy na kane ka video wanam glad ban share lam shag perlak la ne hayeng hasam jong pi wanam glad ro ban like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel alengen ya pet ya kane ka jing hi kai. Thank you for inviting me. Kasi kublai shibon bapi lakot yanga. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pinchisha and I am from Mutlang. My dreams to become successful in life. Kasi nukong ngakwa ban ito yalade. Kerteng jonga day ka Pinchisha. Bat ngaday na Mutlang. Bat katong jonga kalong ban job ha ka jing im. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Kasi nga shimro ya kane kakabu ban pen pao ka jing sngongo iway pa iway na pi. It's my first time for me to be here to share with you with what I have experienced in my life. Kasi kadai kasin nagkong yanga bandon hangne ban yasam batpi ya ka ay kabanga lamat lasyam hakajing im jonga. In our life, we face lots of problems, so to fight for that problems, always be patient and hard work. Kasi ha kajing im jongi gimat shibun kijing te banyale ya kata kajing barabor ni day banlong kibaya sha bat treshitong. In our life, always ups and down. Kasi ha kajing im jongi barabor kadon kajing siu bat kajing hiar. Every people has their own dreams. Kasi man la ubriu udon la kijong kijing tmo. Whatever you do it from your heart. Kasi kano kaba pile le nado kamansian. Whatever happens, it happens for good. Kasi kano kabajia kejia na kabenta kajimba. So don't worry what will happen tomorrow. Kasi te what kuslai ya ka ay kabanjia la shay. For God is always with us. Kasi damar ublay udon rengkan bangi. If we don't have a mindset to win, we never win. Kasi dadang ngimdon kajing mot jing berkat penjob ngin omjob. Don't let your problems will discourage you. Kasi what I ba kajing jongpi kan pendo mensen yepi. Don't worry what others think about you. Kasi what kuslai ya ka ay kaba kiway kiberkat shapang jongpi. Do what makes you happy. Kasi le ya ka ay kabapan kaman yapi. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to say Whatever you do, always put God first and you will never be last. Kasih, shua bangan penkot, ya kacingkeren jonga, ngakwa benong, kano, kaba pile, barabor, bo yau belay, nungkong, knang, bapin, omlong, kibak hado. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.